Killer innocent. I'm gonna do it.
So to make viral content. Hi, hello. Hold on. This is the fit for the day. Today is 4th of July. This is my third time where I am able to witness the 4th of July celebrations, and I didn't plan anything to wear, but as a hat girl, of course, I knew I had to make a hat, and this is the result. Now, take a look at it. Now, this is a hat that I redesigned to suit the theme for today. So I had this regular cowboy straw hat, and it has this star band. So this hat was a regular straw cowboy hat. What really drew me to it was the...
Can you guess which detail stole her heart? The crown, the curve, or the charm it gave?
What drew me to this hat was the star design. It's given Western cowgirl-esque. And the star reminds me of the vintage, retro American design that sometimes you would see in commercials and advertisements. So I love this feature of the hat. I used a metallic paint to paint this, but the color is not completely solid. It's kind of rustic. So I'm trying to maintain that rustic look so you can still see the straw woven design going on. Are these sparkly chrome design. Got them done last week. How gorgeous. And it goes with the metallic design of my hat. Now, tell me what you think about this. Woo! This fabulous, fun 4th of July hat design. Look at the bows, navy blue, with the strings hanging down, which makes it even more fun. So this will really tell you. Yeah, so the stars on the ribbon also match with the stars on the band of the hat. Now I didn't really want to go all American theme because I want to still be able to wear it outside of this day, so I can be able to change the ribbon on it if I so please afterwards. For today, this is it. I love the underneath color. It's giving me a nice glow, metallic glow. So the nails and the hat, a gorgeous metallic glow. And then if I hold on my head, you see the peak of brown. And then the top, which is a crown, has the metallic color as well. Amazing. Yeah. And then I also added a little ribbon on my crossbody chain. This is a chain belt, but I wanted that sash look. I love seeing that sash look, so I decided to wear it this way, like a sash instead of a belt, because the focus of the top is pointed. So having the sash across adds an accessory that does not clash, because I could have either worn a necklace, but it would have been a little too much with these statement Indian earrings. These are from India. Indian earrings, I love them. This is a peacock right there at the top, and the palm bell design. And this skirt is a fun skirt. Tulle, I love tulle. I love tulle skirts. Mesh skirt. This is a mesh skirt. This is so fun. And the hair, oh, the hair is really fun and cool. It allows movability, and the ribbon falls in the hair. Ow! And on my hands are my favorite cuffs. Brass cuffs. Or wired cuffs. So looks like it's gonna be a fun day. I have no plans, which is crazy, but I'm dressed up because I still believe the day can turn out to be something amazing. So I'm hoping the day turns around and I get to have a great day, because the outfit is ready. I just need somewhere to go. Where should a girl go? World needs to see this outfit. And the hat, of course. The world needs to see the hat. Hey, so I'm still here. Still here. So let's talk. So this fabulous bucket hat, it's by Steve Madden. It's a great hat as is, but we like things that are elaborate. And so I'm gonna take this regular bucket hat. It does have this color block design on the brim, but we need more. We need a lot more to make this hat truly be what it can be. And so my challenge for this week is to transform this hat the Roxford way. Okay, so stay tuned to see how I transform this fabulous hat the Roxford way. Yes, the Roxford way. The only way, the most stylish way. Okay, okay, okay. You got it. Stay tuned. You're gonna see. Did someone say flowers? By flowers, I got these flowers are huge. These beautiful orange peach flowers. Now they look a little crumpled right now, but these are what I will be using to transform this plain hat. I may opt for different flowers, but for right now, these are the flowers I am going for. So I'll probably use like one or two, or I may opt for smaller size flowers. But for now, this is what I'm going for because it goes with this fabulous dress. So the hat will be inspired by this dress because I'll be wearing this dress again for the next time I go out. And can you believe today I just wore this beautiful dress to do my laundry? But I will be wearing it again because I really like it. I really love it. That's why I bought it. So I will be wearing this beautiful dress again, and next time I wear it, my hat will be complete. And yes, I did wear it today with my hat. This is how I style the hat today because I do not like a plain, boring hat. We like hats that add flair, head to toe sheeness. That's what we go for. And so, as a hat designer and headwear designer, I also designed this beautiful headband for my sister when it was her 6th grade prom. It's from last year and it's still so beautiful. Look at the details. Look at the pineapple design and the leaf design that tied in and matched her outfit. I'll insert a picture of her dress. But the beauty of my headbands is that they're flexible and they can be used as a band for regular hats to transform a regular hat into a chic one with just one application. All you have to do is use the same headband, add it over the brim of the hat, and it adds an instant upgrade. And the green on the hat ties in with the green on the dress. It complements it. So take a look. Absolutely chic and gorgeous. Look at the dress. Back to the fabulous hat. There's straw hats everywhere. You can find straw hats every single where. And some of them are so basic. And we do not do basic on this side. We do chic. We try our best to be ourselves from head to toe. So we're going to transform this hat. Now, and I also wanted to show you a hat that I redesigned, and I'm so in love with it. And it's this gorgeous one. Look at the butterfly detail and the flower detail. Now this flower is not just pasted to the hat. The flower, it moves. So it's very fluffy. And then we have burlap bows popping out here, and it goes across the crown of the hat. And this part is the band, and this was hand painted. I made this like 2:30 a.m. and I finished around 4 o'clock finish with painting and the floral arrangement and my little pop right here, which is the butterfly. So you like having a garden and flowers attract butterflies. So this is an interpretation of that. You know, flowers attracting butterflies. So butterflies, flowers attracting butterflies. So, you know, the butterfly is perched on the hat. It's a very fun hat. This is what the inside looks like. I didn't paint it here, but I painted it on the rim. It's actually a Steve Madden hat, but it was just plain straw, and I wanted to add my own flair to it. It's a bucket hat. It's a straw bucket hat. And when the wind blows, the butterfly moves with the ribbon, because this is a wired ribbon that I can also reshape. You know, if I want it rounded or if I want it straight. Then it's flopping. And the flower, I also hand painted the flowers and the burlap ribbon. This is like, I don't know what material this is. This is a paper material. Straw. I think this is like paper material. So, 2 hats. Which one is your favorite? Is it this one? For 4th of July? Or my summer hat? Which one? Let me do a little video of me wearing it. I'm going to share some photos of me on this hat at the beach, so you can see. So, let me just move my hat. And the inside of this hat looks like this. You can still see the brown design because I wanted that rustic look, and I still wanted you to see the straw design. So there is some of the brown straw color showing because the top of the hat here is also golden. So you can see little glimpses of this brown original straw color. What I also did was add a gold metallic paint to this, so it's shiny right throughout the hat and not just the top part. So this, you can definitely see that it's metallic, and this just added a golden glow that complements my jewelry because I do wear a lot of gold jewelry. So this is what it looks like on the bowl. And the little crown embellishment right here. Just pop it on. Yes. This corset top is from Fashionista. The hat I bought in Macy's. Let me see what brand it is. It's no brand. It's made in China. No particular brand. These are from Amazon. This is from a store. And the skirt. What? The skirt is from the thrift store. So Fashionista, the thrift store. This is a store. These are from an Indian store. The hat is from Macy's, Amazon. And the shoes are from Macy's. Always remember this.
If accessories aren't talking, the outfit's whispering.
Always remember this. A true fashionista does not shop in one space. Once the item of clothing or accessory is of quality or is fitting to their aesthetic that they go for, it does not matter where. Once it is clean, in a good condition, and is of good quality, and we connect to it, we are gonna get it. That's how true fashionistas and lovers of style are. It's about the item and the quality of it, not necessarily the price or the cost. Not necessarily the price or the cost. It's about the quality of it and if it connects with us. That's how I shop. If I see something and it connects with me, then I will get it. Once it is in a good condition. It's clean, it's fresh. So I shop in popular stores. I also shop in boutiques, and I also visit the thrift store sometimes, because in the thrift store you never know what you're gonna find, and you get to see dresses from decades ago, and some of them are still new and in good condition, and you get inspired again. Sometimes if I need inspiration, I'm just popping into the thrift store and touching and feeling, not only for clothes, but for items, for household items and stuff. Sometimes I use them to create stuff, not for decorating the house as is, but for repurposing them. So, where do you shop? Do you shop in one space, or do you shop as long as you see it? I shop online, I shop in stores. It doesn't matter if I like it and it connects with me, and if I say, okay, I don't have anything similar in my closet, and it's unique, it is distinctive, and it matches my taste, and it's what I'm looking for, then I'm gonna get it. That's how I shop. Many other people who are into style, that's how they go. It's not about if it's new or not. It's about the quality. Because something can be new, but it's of a cheaper quality. It's about the quality of it. Right? And if you're dexterous and you know how to use your hands to make fashion, then you know how to repurpose things and reinvent things, which is absolutely great and wonderful. Okay, so
Looking back, here in this moment as the day progressed, she wondered where she would end up. Was it going to be an exciting day as she had hoped, or one where she was utterly filled with regret for spending way too much time getting dressed, which resulted in her last-minute ride? To leave her. Guess, what do you think happened? Yes, her last-minute plans didn't come through. Her expectations came tumbling down, and the truth is, she didn't go out to a grand fair until the next day. But the beauty of all this is that after all, she decided to record content. Yes, this that you're watching. Turning the sourest of lemon into lemonade, as her day didn't turn out as planned. When the next day came, another unexpected event came up. But this time she already had her fabulous outfit prepared. And as she strutted in, She drew all stops and stares, for she is naturally a head-turner. She had the grandest of celebrations. That was surely her light at the end of the tunnel. Let's hear a round of applause for this showstopper of a hat and the creative milliner donning it. Check out her Instagram for full outfit pics at ROHXFORD. Wait a minute, did you peep it? Even her lashes are blue. What a gorgeous view!